Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Ishmael Ashiti, has urged the chiefs and people of Dome Papase Faasee to exercise calm as he will see to it that those arrested and properties seized after the riot that took place on Tuesday 25th August 2020 over the ownership of the land be released. He cautioned the people not to politicize the situation since elections and political parties come and go while communities remain. He also promised them a closed-door meeting on Monday 31st August 2020 and pressed on them to provide every relevant documentation that will help as proof to support their claim.
Noni ba kankran oba Kenya ke nyana atwi ye mo femo ana ewotwi ni ekole meni epila ke meni akame ete se oba dum amralo e najia no ka ma ke po oba kwe to boni nke meni akame ete se ni akwe oya ya na ngma amehi o ni men ke na men ko brahin fe ne ba kwechie bie won twumunye hie ya fono no ni eba wo fe wo ba kwe ni eku akaba bi egbedon ni masumu ake enese mambi alo mo nupa e ba techi ake ni sani e ba no ni nu hie mo ni kenkren ni nka yueji ni ga wo ji nkomeye ni sani wona kuwe obayaga shi be nyeka ha be huwa min kura o yai ni nyeka ba an office ni wo kwano ni wo ka ba atwu ni wo ka twu ani ka wo shi bia ni wo te ye nke himbe jin ba afa ekome ni wo kwano fe no me boni ibale ha ni kemo ni fi oni ni efe yegbenu shi efe yo jutwa mi won ba kwe ni mlak la ye ne won ke police onu pa e ba bie na me an ba bono ni nya ba yu etri no ni hanse gbe ye kura age ake ni gata nwa se ye bie ni le gan fe kan etwi no fe se ake mi bia ne ni ntachi ne ake ni adote otinto legi the overlord of this place keji le hu efota ni wo ba bie be nye ba na ake nyesane ne oba momi ni wokwe lo jugba but now you hear politicians we politicians fe a hu ame ba wo we bie ba ma yue wonye me kokome politician ma ba yue shinye haga nye ka ha wo kesane ne fe politics he ni nye bahi fe afio he nyo je politics sanini wo nini wo shade ni esani wo kra lo jugba ewo kaje minister po ni ncho ganyojimi ni intanshi ni makwe na he gamani ya mede wo ba fata nye yi ni wo twa ne keta ni.
Honorable Mohammed Ajay Sowa, the mayor of Accra, assured the people, apart from being politicians, they were also gods and true sons of the soil. Hence, they will be part of their fight to ensure that their lands were safe. The chief of Dome Papase Faasee, Ni Sampa, also rendered an unqualified apology to the Ghana Armed Forces.
Sane ba no nye anye patapa na nya ajimoku da bida shi wo fe wole boni pe ke bi fe yo ha no na ka ni bia ni ba no kan kan wo ka fa pa mo nwe government e ke wo ga na no nu pa ke wo ga man che me fe ke ni bi e ja ke fe na agbe ha me ni ko nye ma mi bo na yu o ta flache e fe to mo wo po e na mi be ta flache awuye le so yen obi e shi je na kan ji sane e ja ke na kan ni e ko ba ko bi e da no bia ne wonu pa ne ba ne won to no no yo no ba ko no pa ji kenkere amewa na akpa fai.
King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II Gamanche also sympathized with his people and promised them his unflinching support. He said he will see to it that the situation was dealt with and life brought back to normalcy. King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II said this when he joined a delegation that met with the people and chiefs of Dome Papase Faasee to inspect the affected land.
Minton higbene no ken fla gama mon fin menek bine woba don Faasee ni woba bo ametwe wabaya wose dan ni kewati wose babo moden wokwe mo ken tibli ni yomi boni woba nale woba hani ma fin ali shimo menepla ken meni ameni bi papai igme ame on pafai na menatri.
Among the delegation was the King of Accra, King Tackie Teiko Tsuru II himself, the Greater Accra Regional Minister, Honorable Ishmael Ashite, the Mayor of Accra, Honorable Mohammed Ajay Sowa, the Chief of Simpe, Ni Adute Otinto II, who also doubles as the overlord of the affected area, the Chief Executive of Gasau, among others.